why does the law guarantee Quebec, and only Quebec, the right to at least 3 seats on the Supreme Court of Canada? Article 6 of the Supreme Court Act provides that at least 3 judges shall be appointed from among the judges of the Court of Appeal or of the Superior Court of the Province of Quebec, or from among the advocates of that province, and no other province has such a right in the Supreme Court Act or elsewhere in law. The reason for this goes back a long ways. Unlike the other Canadian provinces, Quebec has a system of private law which is based in French civil law, which goes back all the way to Quebec's founding more than 400 years ago, meaning its use in Quebec predates the existence of Canada itself as a country by more than 250 years. As a legal system, it has its own history, philosophy, traditions, and mechanics that are different from the private law used in the other Canadian provinces that are derived from the common law of England. Chief among these differences is the existence of a civil code, something no other province has, which aims to be the legal framework around all private interactions between people in Quebec. And the civil code isn't just a legal document, it's also an important part of Quebec's culture. My own grandmother, who's not a lawyer by any means, has a copy of the Quebec Civil Code in her house, and she does refer to it from time to time to understand her rights. Because of Quebec's different legal system, it's important that the Supreme Court of Canada, which has final say on all legal disputes, includes some people who are trained in and understand Quebec's civil code and the legal philosophy surrounding it. It's worth noting that currently, Quebec's right to have at least 3 justices on the Supreme Court is only protected by a simple law, a law that could be changed by Parliament at any time. But protecting Quebec's legal tradition is so important that enshrining that right in the Constitution is one of Quebec's 5 key demands before Quebec will agree to sign the Constitution, something it still hasn't done.